What's up, everyone? This is Gabriel, and I am showing you how I do my cleaning routine. So, first is first, every morning I wake up and I make my bed. Then I squirt and clean all the toilets that are upstairs, in which we have two. Then our laundry is also upstairs, so I'll wash, fold, and laundry is never done until it's put away. Then I will get ready for the day. I like to make my own air freshener and Febreze, all the curtains, all the floors to make the upstairs smell super good. Then I head downstairs and I will start my cup of coffee brewing and put away the dishes while the water is getting hot in my Keurig. Then after I put away the dishes, I will clean my sink. If there's any dishes that didn't fit in the dishwasher the night before, I'll go ahead and put them in the dishwasher for tonight's wash. And I like to clean down in the drain. I like to clean all around the tops of the sink and also clean the food catcher and clean it out and make sure there's nothing nasty in it. And then afterwards, I always use a microfiber towel to really shine my sink. And I like to clean inside the wells of the sink as well and dry it out. I feel like when it's all nice and dry, people are less likely to want to use the sink and put their dirty dishes in my dishwasher. Then I like to do all the downstairs stuff while I'm downstairs, so I'm not going up and down. So I'll clean my downstairs toilet. My coffee is done, and sometimes I'll do tea with the green tea and honey. It just depends how I feel. So I'll make my little coffee cup, and I'll try to be kind of fancy, my own barista. Here's my finished product. Then I take a moment to look at my goal posters, which I have mostly on my phone as a more convenient place to keep it. I'll read and afterwards go to the gym or work out outside if it's nice. And I have this little cleaning routine weekly that I check off as I get things done. And after the gym, I've showered, and now usually I'll make some lunch, which just consists of mostly a bowl of fruit is what I'll use. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Happy cleaning.